Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, I'd like to show you how to quickly and easily change the background color of an Instagram story when sharing a feed post. Let's start by selecting the feed post that we want to share to the Instagram story. I'm going to choose the last post I shared to my feed, and then go through the motions of sharing the post to my story. As you can see, the background of the story matches the shade of blue that is in my feed post. But what if I want the background to be pink instead? Or another color? To start with, look at the top right-hand side of the screen, where you'll see a wavy line. That's the Draw tool. Select that icon. Once you've selected it, you'll see a rainbow palette of colors along the bottom of the screen, a dropper icon to the left of them, and a slider running down the left-hand side of the screen. You can scroll along the rainbow palette of colors along the bottom to select one you like, or you can use the dropper tool to precisely match your story background color to elements within your feed post. Once you have found and selected the color you want, press and hold the background of the story around the outside of your feed post. After about 3 seconds, the background will change to the color you have selected. Hit Done, and you are free to add other elements to your story, such as GIFs, stickers or music. Or, you can go ahead and send it out into the world. And that's that. You have successfully changed the background of your story when sharing a feed post to it. I hope you found this video useful today, but please let me know if you have any questions, or would like to suggest another video tutorial. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you'd like to see more social media marketing and content creation tips and tricks. Have a fabulous day.